So hello guys, good morning, welcome to another channel. आज हामी चाहिँ Oxford जाँदैछौँ हैन, it's southwest part of the UK. अब त्यहाँ जाँदैछौँ, it's like a family tour. आज चाहिँ Saturday, weather is 17 degrees Celsius. बेसी राम्रो छ बाहिर हैन. So guys, today we are in the break मा आइपुग्यो हामी चाहिँ हैन. अब टक्क लाएर हल्का ब्रेक खाएर and अब हामी चाहिँ M40 को वेलकम ब्रेक मा आइपुग्यो. सो अब यहाँ चाहिँ हामी चट्टा लाएर हल्का खाजा खान्छ हैन. त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ we'll go to our destination. After our quick stop at Welcome Break, we then headed to our onward journey to Bicester village near Oxford. So this place is about 60 miles north of London and it's very famous for high-end shopping and it's considered one of the best in UK. So after about 2 hours of our journey, we finally arrived at our destination. In regards to the car parking, they have plenty of car parking options, one near the shopping center and another near the train station, and it's completely free as well. It's also located in close proximity to the shopping center, which is very handy for the travelers. अब हाम्रो चाहिँ शपिङ लगभग सकियो हैन. अब हामी घर फर्किँदै छौं. We then headed to Oxford City, 60 miles northwest of London. It's home to University of Oxford, which is oldest and prestigious university in the English-speaking world. This is Oxford Good Tower right here, I think. And the piano halko ghar रहेछ है. We then visited museum, the Ashmolean Museum here in Oxford. It's the world's second university museum and Britain's first public museum. Its first building was erected on 1678 and it's completely free to visit. So you say Ashmolean Museum, है ना? So now enjoy the few shots taken inside the museum.
Take a train ride just to see you. Ride for hours just to please you. You don't know I need you, 'cause you're my home away from home, away from home, away from being alone. Run away from home, why don't you? 'Cause I did the same just for you. You don't know how much.
हामी चाहिँ यो म्युजियम हेरेर आइपुग्यो हैन. So guys, अब चाहिँ हाम्रो अक्सफोर्डको भिजिट सकियो. So we're heading back to London now. So it's about 4:30 at the moment हैन. So अब हामी यहाँबाट 2 घण्टामा चाहिँ लन्डन पुग्छ. Hopefully, provided there's no traffic on the way. And then we will head to Kailas Momo. It's one of the best Nepalese restaurants in southeast London. त्यहाँ गएर हामीले कैलाश मोमो खाने हैन, टक्क लाएर नेपाली खाना खाने प्लान छ. Hopefully we'll get the seats as well. It depends upon how busy they are. अनि त्यहाँबाट चाहिँ त्यही घर जाने अनि आराम गर्ने है. Stay tuned guys. So I'll see you when we reach Kailas Momo. in Woolwich, London. So guys, by the time we reached Kala's Momo, we were knackered and tired, so we quickly ate our food, and then we headed home and rested and slept. We didn't take much pictures there. So another good day, guys. So guys, you see Richmond Park in southwest of London. So I'm just गाडी में साला लाला जाँदै Right. I'm here to say, Isabel Plantation Deer Park. It's like a 5 minutes walk from the car park in Richmond. Car park is free, to be aware. So for you guys, so if you don't know, if you want to come to Richmond, car park is free. Don't worry about that. And it's a car park. It's about 5 minutes walk. So I'm telling you, the jungle. All the jungle, the Richmond ko full of म झर्छु सुत्रो म पनि आउँछु हेर न त नि मेरो इजले कहाँ कुन लौका गएर जान्दैन हरलाई आउनु बाबी आएन के